Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to allow app to run in the background on any Android phone. Now to do that, just open settings, then go to apps. Now from here, just select the app which you want to run in the background. Now if you cannot see the apps on the screen, you might find an option of manage apps or see all apps. Just click on it and you will see all the apps on your smartphone. And from here, just select the app which you want to run in the background, just like that. Then go to battery. And from here, just select unrestricted. Now, once you select unrestricted, your app will start running in the background. And this is how you can allow apps to run in the background on any Android phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.